before starting my presentation, I would like to ask a simple question to all of you. And if you feel like answering, so just raise your hands. Except your family members, who do you consider the most important person in your life? Okay.
My best friend,
So,
the person who is standing in front of us and whom we are talking to, he is the most important person in life.
anyone else? Okay, so you both are right, but you are wrong also. After your family members, you should be the most important person of your life. Good evening, dear sir, and all my classmates. Today I'll be talking about the topic which focuses on the powerful concept, the art of self-love. Today, my main focus is to tell something which can bring a positive change in all of us. So, self-loving is about self-caring. It's not about being selfish or self-centered. It's about how you treat yourself, how you take care about yourself, and how you become your best friend. Like, it's not about considering that I am the only one in the world who is beautiful or I am the only one who is intelligent. It's not about that. It's about how you take care of your own body, how you take care of your own mentality and own vibes, how you enjoy on your own things. It's like that. So self-love is the most important thing right now because somehow we all are just alone in ourselves. We need someone who just can take care of ourselves and who can do everything as we want, but at the end nobody cares. So we are the only one who could care about us. So here are some tips which can help you to uplift your confidence and uplift your self-caring. So number one, be kind to yourself. Use gentle words and understanding words like as you would do when your friend is feeling low or he is not in the mood. So use that type of word that will appreciate yourself, that I'm worth it. Don't use such type of words, I'm not worth it, am I worth it or not, am I good or not. Just be focused on the things in which you are good. Second thing, take care of your body. Relax, enjoy, eat healthy food and stay active. Like, it's like giving your best friend a cozy blanket with its favorite food. Third thing, forgive yourself. See, it is okay to make mistakes, it is okay to decline something, sometimes some plans, because every time we are not in the same thing or in the same path that we can do everything at the right time. So give yourself time, forgive yourself about your mistakes, learn from them and move forward. You just don't have to stick on that one thing that I am not worth it about doing that things. Don't use such type of words for yourself because it will affect your brain and heart too, and it will make you demotivated. So making yourself motivated, say good affirmatives like I am worth it, I am the one who can do this, I am the one who can achieve good things in my life. Fourth thing, focus on the good things. Focus on the things in which you are good at. It can be anything. It can be relaxing also. It can be writing. It can be learning. It can be relaxing. It can be sitting alone also. Focus on the things in which you are good at. The things in which you feel more comfortable, more relaxed. Fifth thing, enjoy the things which you like. Like it can be roaming around, it can be using mobile, it can be watching TV, or it also can be sleeping. So enjoy those things which you like the most. So in conclusion, I would like to say that loving yourself is an ongoing journey. It's not a destination. By patience and practice, we can do it more. Because at the end of life, we just want ourselves because we are the only ones who can stand up at every situation because not a friend or not a family member is there for us in every situation in our life. So we are the only one. So make yourself confident, boosted and self-loving. If you will love yourself, then someone else will also love yourself. If nobody is loving you, so do the self-love. So I want you all to repeat after me. I am worth it.
I am worth it.
I can do everything.
I can do everything.
I love myself as I am.
I love myself as I am.
And I appreciate the things which I am not capable of.
I appreciate the things which I am not capable of.
I will do my best in my future.
I will do my best in my future.
I am worth it of everything.
I am worth it of everything.
Thank you
good habits to love myself. So I can like change my mindset. Like now I have my strength that I am lazy. So it is not my strength to love myself. Right?
So you can practice the things in which you are good at. If you are good at playing, so instead of being lazy, just play around. If you are good at watching reels or some new things, so just watch that, because loving yourself is a simple thing, simplest thing in the world. If you will love yourself, then only you will be able to love someone else or the things you like the most, like your family members or someone else.
Any other query? Any girl? Any girl?
Sometimes loving ourselves is cross the line of selfishness. Many people are inside those people who are loving themselves more and that you are selfish. So, this it is good.
No, if you are loving yourself, I just said selfishness and self-centered is a different thing, and self-loving is different. Self-loving is like that you care about your things and you care about someone else's things too. You appreciate yourself and you appreciate someone else too. You boost